Imagine a scenario where you no longer have to worry about the next paycheck, where your money works for you while you sleep, travel, or dedicate your time to what you truly love. It sounds like a dream, but it's more real than you think. The key to this is passive income. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how building streams of passive income can transform your financial life and lead you to the freedom you've always dreamed of. Throughout this video, you'll understand how some strategic changes can provide you with the financial peace of mind you've always wanted. Stay with me and discover the path to a life with more freedom and security. Have you ever wondered why, even though you work so hard, it seems like there's never enough left over? Or worse, do you feel like no matter how much more you earn, the amount of money left at the end of the month doesn't grow? This is a problem many people face, working tirelessly without achieving the much-desired financial stability. This happens because most of the time, our main source of income depends on our daily work. Let's be honest, you're stuck in a cycle where, to earn more, you have to work more. The only thing growing is the number of hours you dedicate to your job, and the time to enjoy life becomes increasingly scarce. In the end, your bank balance doesn't change much. Many people live in this rat race, where everything they achieve seems to be consumed by the need to work even harder. But what if I told you it's possible to escape this cycle? What if I told you there's a way to achieve financial freedom and stop relying solely on your work? That path lies in passive income, and that's exactly what we're going to explore. Today, how you can start generating money without constantly sacrificing your time. In this video, I'll show you 3 fundamental steps to start building your financial freedom through passive income. First, we'll understand what passive income really is and how it can be the key to changing your relationship with money. Then, I'll explain how you can start generating passive income with simple investments that anyone can make, regardless of their starting capital. Finally, we'll talk about the mindset needed to make your money work for you, instead of the other way around. These 3 points are essential for you to take the first steps toward financial freedom. The idea here isn't to offer a magic formula, but rather a change in perspective and action that over time will allow you to achieve a more peaceful life, less dependent on daily work. If you're tired of living on autopilot and truly want to change your financial situation, stay with me until the end. I'm confident that by applying these concepts, you'll see a difference in your financial life. Passive income is a way to earn money without relying on active work. Unlike active income, where you trade your time and effort directly for money, passive income comes from investments or sources that don't require constant attention. This means you can create a revenue stream that keeps generating money even when you're not actively working. There are several ways to generate passive income, and some are more accessible than you might think. For example, one of the most common ways is to invest in real estate and rent out those properties. The monthly rent becomes a steady source of income without requiring you to leave the house every day to work for it. Another example is investing in dividend-paying stocks. Companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, and these payments are made periodically. By owning shares of these companies, you start receiving money without having to do anything. Of course, to get started, you need to understand where to put your money and which options have the greatest potential for return. The good news is that with technology and financial education, it's easier than ever to start building a passive income portfolio. And the best part? You don't need to have large sums of money to take the first step. Even with small investments, you can start seeing benefits over time. If you want to learn more about how to do this, my tip is to start researching real estate investment trusts, REITs, and dividend-paying stocks. These are great starting points for anyone looking to build their own passive income streams.
The biggest advantage of passive income is the freedom it provides. When you start generating money passively, you gain something more valuable than a salary increase. Your time no longer have a way up early every
day to go to the office or spend endless hours in meetings. Imagine having the possibility to travel, spend more time with your family, or even dedicate yourself to personal projects without constant financial pressure. Passive income isn't just about increasing your bank account. It's about creating the freedom to choose. For example, if you have a dividend portfolio generating $2,000 per month, you could decide that this amount is enough to cover your basic expenses. This might allow you to reduce your working hours or even start a new venture you're passionate about. That's the kind of freedom passive income provides, the freedom to choose how to use your time. In addition, passive income offers financial security. Instead of relying on a single salary or a job that could be lost at any time, you start creating multiple revenue streams. This brings peace of mind and allows you to plan your future more strategically. At the same time, building this income requires patience and discipline. Don't expect quick results. Passive income is a gradual process, but over time, you'll see the fruits of your efforts. Investing and accumulating these income sources may require time and dedication at the start, but the long-term benefits are immeasurable. The secret lies in consistency. Every dollar invested now, whether in real estate, stocks, or any other form of passive income, will yield more and more over the years, allowing you to live with greater freedom and less financial stress. Now, you might be wondering, but how can I do this if I don't have much money to start? The answer lies in your mindset. The big difference between those who achieve financial freedom and those who remain stuck in the rat race is the investment mindset. Successful people don't work for money. They make money work for them. That's the secret to building wealth. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you can make what you earn generate more. That's why wealthy people focus on multiplying the resources they already have. They think about how to strategically invest their money so it grows over time. The first step is to understand that your daily job cannot be your only source of income. You need to learn to diversify your revenue streams while developing the habit of reinvesting your earnings intelligently. For example, you can start with a small amount and gradually increase your investments as you receive more dividends or rental income. Instead of spending that money, reinvest it, creating a continuous growth cycle. The more you reinvest, the faster your passive income will grow. This is a basic principle of wealth creation, putting your money to work for you. Additionally, the mindset of an investor involves learning to manage risks intelligently. Risk is part of the process, and it's important to understand that returns come with patience and discipline. There's no instant success, but with planning and consistent actions, you'll see positive impacts over time. Great investors like Warren Buffett always emphasize the importance of patience in allowing investments to grow. The same applies to you. Don't give up midway. Stay focused on the long term. Therefore, if you truly want to build passive income and achieve financial freedom, you need to develop this mindset. This includes studying investments, understanding the different types of passive income sources, and adopting an action plan that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, every step counts, and there's no single way to start. What matters is engaging in a continuous process of learning and action. Now you might be thinking, can I really start now, even without much money or experience? The answer is yes. The secret is to take the first step. Every day you delay is a day your money could be working for you. More importantly, it's one less day of freedom you could be achieving. It doesn't matter where you are now. What truly matters is where you want to be in the future. Building passive income doesn't happen overnight, but every action you take today, every small investment, brings you closer to your goal. Don't underestimate the power of starting small. Small steps can lead to great achievements over time. The key is consistency. Imagine the freedom you could have in 5, 10, or 20 years. Picture yourself choosing how to spend your time without constantly worrying about the next paycheck. That's the kind of freedom passive income can provide. By starting to invest today, you'll be taking the first step toward a life with more control, more peace of mind, and above all, more freedom. Remember, true financial freedom isn't about how much you earn, but how you manage what you earn and how much you make your money grow. If you've made it this far and the ideas about passive income are starting to make sense to you, then it's Time to take action. The first step is simpler than you might think. Open an account with an investment brokerage, research low-risk investment options like REITs or dividend-paying stocks, and start with whatever amount you have available. Remember, it's not about starting big, it's about starting. Every dollar you invest now is building a better future for you. Don't let fear or doubt paralyze you. The biggest mistake you can make is delaying the start of your journey. If you start today, you'll soon begin reaping the benefits. And if this content has been helpful for you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on which step you'll take first to start building your passive income. I'd love to hear how you plan to put into practice what you've learned here. The journey to financial freedom begins with a simple step, and now you know how to take that first step. Passive income isn't something intangible or exclusive to a select few. It's within reach for anyone willing to learn, take action, and persist. It doesn't matter where you begin. What's important is starting now. So, stop delaying your dreams of financial freedom. Remember, time doesn't go backward, but you can start transforming your reality today. By building passive income, you're building your future, a future that deserves to be full of possibilities and choices. Your financial freedom is closer than you think. Now, it's time to act.